this is the photo card I picked. It's Stray Kids. Mayron was about to fly away. And she still has a video of one photo card because one of my photo cards are freebies. Okay. So let's put one of these two. Sorry guys, it's really messing with this box. I just put everything. So I was thinking about this red color. It's so pretty. This one. Okay. Let me put this on hair. Guys, you can comment if you want it. Or you could just sorry. You could just comment if you want me to pack your later. There we go. Just put this on the paper. There's also going to be a part 3. Let's put this back. It's already been 2 minutes. Yes, we're ready. Yes. So guys, yesterday it was actually my cheer dance contest camp. The Blue Eagles that they won first place, and I'm the Blue Eagles. It was like we put so much effort into it, but just the other team, they don't have energy. So guys, see you in part 3. Bye.